Hello everyone, this is Kerman, and in this video we'll be telling you how to register yourself in the Curiotory's application.
In Play Store, type Curiotory in search box, so you will find the application. Click on install button. Open the app, allow the notification, click on the next button. Again, for new user, click on sign up button, select your language and enter your details. First name, enter your mobile number, then your email ID, select your date of birth and last password, and click the sign up button. You have successfully registered. Now for a login, you need to enter your email ID and type your password. Click on sign in button. Select your level. You get the teacher information. You can select the other teacher also. Here are some recorded video of teachers. In the next we have resources. In resources you will get the blogs, Q&A and reference material. And in the last we have assessment. You can take a test. Click the test for the task start. Answer the question. Submit your test. You will get your score. Your correct MCQ answer, your incorrect and unsolved MCQ. Click on done. Here are the subscription plan. You can see all the subscription plan according to your level. And if you have any query or doubt, we have also a contact us page. On that contact us, you can email us or you can directly call us.
So, if you are facing any issues while registering yourself, you can contact us on support@curiotory.com. Thank you everyone.